Hi, my name is Lisa O'Connor and I live in Dublin. I love living here.
Dublin's got great museums, brilliant art galleries, and of course hundreds of fantastic pubs. But if you only have time to visit one place in Ireland's capital city, you must see Trinity College.
Okay, I am a student here, so maybe I'm biased. But if I were a tourist in Dublin, I'd definitely come here. Of course, Trinity is a lot more than just a tourist attraction. It's also the oldest and most famous university in Ireland.
Trinity was founded in 1592. It has always had a tradition of excellence and is particularly well known for producing famous writers. The author of Gulliver's Travels, Jonathan Swift, obtained a Bachelor of Arts degree here in 1686. The playwright Oscar Wilde also studied at Trinity. Bram Stoker, the author of Dracula, began writing here. And Samuel Beckett, who won the Nobel Prize for Literature, studied here from 1923 to 1927 and taught here in 1930.
When I decided to come here to study, everybody told me it was a great university. But people all said that I wouldn't get a place here unless I got really good exam results. They were right, but it was worth it. And if you don't mind working hard, you'll love studying here. But do other students agree?
I decided to ask some students what they enjoyed about studying at Trinity. What are you studying?
Computer science.
I'm doing a master's in applied psychology at the moment.
I'm doing a PhD in English literature.
Why do you enjoy studying at Trinity?
Trinity is an old college, lots of history, and it's a very friendly college to be at.
I like studying at Trinity because it's very well internationally recognised. It's just got a good reputation as, a good university, and the campus is really nice as well.
I like it that it's such an international place. You meet so many people from all over the world, and that's really great.
Of course, going to university isn't all about studying. There are plenty of other reasons to choose Trinity when picking a university. For me, it's the 400 years of history.
I love the university's beautiful old buildings and rooms. And visiting places like the old library with its atmospheric long room is always special. I could spend hours admiring the old books and manuscripts here, especially the Book of Kells. The Book of Kells is a 1,200-year-old manuscript written and decorated by Celtic monks. They were exceptionally good at illustrating, and the book is beautifully designed.
There are lots of things to do in Trinity. Students can play all kinds of sports here, and they can take part in drama, music and comedy clubs and societies too.
I asked some students what they did in their free time.
I am an editor at the University Times. It is a student paper.
I like to use the pool and just go for a swim just to kind of clear my head between lectures. I'm also thinking of joining a few more societies, but I've yet to do that.
I meet up with friends, go for coffees, go for beer in all the pubs, have fun.
Are you a member of any clubs or societies?
I'm just a member of the university paper and the boxing club.
Actually, I'm not, no, but I like going to the sports centre a lot and take fitness classes there.
Trinity's a great place to come to study, and it's a great place to spend time in too. If I wasn't a student, I'd still come here. And even when I graduate, I'll keep coming back.